Hello everyone, and you're all welcome to another edition of Python Made Simple. Okay, in today's video, we're looking at the range function in Python programming. Now, the range function is a function that helps us to output a sequence of numbers. That's just a very simple and basic explanation for a range function. It aids in us outputting a sequence of numbers. Now, the range function can take one argument, it can take two arguments, and it can take three arguments. A range function that takes one argument usually starts from 0 with an increment of 1 and stops before the specified argument. So for example, using a variable nums, so the list function we are using here is to allow Python to print out the output of the range. So for example, range nums equal to lists range 15. Okay, and then my last bracket. Okay, so using the print statement, I say Python should print nums. So good. So realize that it starts from 0 with an increment of 1 and ends at 14. Good. So now the second type of range function, if I'm to put it, is the other type that takes two arguments. Now, the first argument is the start parameter, and the second argument is the stop parameter. So, for example, using nums again, let's say that list range. So list range should start from 2 and end at 15. So using our print statement again, I should print nums. So with the start parameter, it starts at 2 and ends at 14. We haven't added any increment, so it has its initial increment or step parameter as 1. Now, the third type of range function is the last type, which takes 3 arguments. It has the start parameter, the stop parameter, and the step parameter, which is the increment. So, using this last example, we can have this. And say in the list, say range, so you should start at 2 and at 15, but with an increment of 2. So when we print nums, so we have this as our output. So 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 14. We know the increment is 2. Now this range function is very important because in certain cases you blend it with the for loop to iterate over a list or a sequence. So now, considering this example, we can say that for I in range, that's from our previous lesson, so we are saying that for every value in the range of 5, so this range is going to take numbers from 0 to 4. We are saying that Python should go ahead and print I. Okay, So it's used together with the for loop to iterate over a certain range or sequence of numbers. So there are times where you say that for I in a range, it should print I, and with that I in that same range, it should either add something to the value of I, subtract from the value of I, check if I is greater than that. If it is, you do this to I, and so on and so forth. So today's video is a very short and brief one. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. We look forward to seeing you next week. Bye bye.